about a kilometer upstream from where we embarked. We've seen an iguana on the bank, a big iguana. I want to see a couple more. Do you like that, Jamie?
That was just.
It's a great
like
joke.
Your dad.
He's a good man.
I don't say that in a bad way.
Nope. There is rain coming behind us. Sorry. It's catching up to us.